Alright, hello everybody. We are here at the Marriott Crystal City, not to be confused with the Marriott Crystal Gateway across the street, as I found out, here in Washington, D.C., well actually Arlington, Virginia. So we're going to be taking a tour of this room real quick, room number 506. At a quick glance, you can see the kind of goofy layout of this hotel. It's sort of like a curved L shape, and we're sort of down here on the end. So starting right here at the door, the security features all seem to be in good shape. Got the peephole too. The entry of the room is looking pretty good, so I would say we're off to a very good start. It looks like you do have the option here of getting adjoining rooms. Thus far, I've only been in here for about 5 minutes, but I haven't heard any noise from next door, so it seems to be pretty well insulated because I know somebody's in there. The room is actually pretty large, especially for like a, an urban area like this. I'm really surprised like how wide it is. There's just lots and lots of space in here. We'll take a quick look at the bathroom before I go too much farther here. You can see, pretty typical Marriott fashion. Got a nice big sink area. Couple glasses, I just used one. Look nice and clean. Got some washcloths, or I guess a washcloth and a hand towel. Down here, one thing that's interesting in here, there actually isn't a towel rack for the hand towels, so I guess you leave them up on the sink. Kind of interesting. You have your complimentary bath amenities over here. It's interesting. It's a thing of hand wash. So I guess they give you this now instead of a bar of soap. No, actually, there's a really funny-looking bar of soap here. Curiosity's getting to me, so let's see what this thing looks like. Oh. Not as interesting as the shape of the box would lead you to think. So I guess now you have the option of bar soap or hand wash. Hand wash. We also have body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion. Lots and lots of options and a very cool display for all of them there. So, the toilet here, and then of course the shower, which looks like it actually has a very deep tub down here on the bottom. At a quick glance, no cleanliness issues here. Got the mat. Let's go ahead and check the pressure real quick. Seems pretty good. Oh yeah, very nice shower head. And the water's already hot. So yeah, along with our quirky hand wash and lack of a towel rack, overall the bathroom's not looking too bad. So we'll take a look out at the rest of the room. I really like the way this room is presented just when you first look in. That window in the back is huge, and the room itself is just so big, it's just really inviting when you walk in. Bed is kind of nondescript looking. The linens seem like they're pretty plush at a quick glance. So it looks like we've got okay, so this is actually a legit duvet cover for like a down comforter. Got the sheet, 4 really nice king-size pillows. These all feel nice and fresh. The linens are nice and soft too. Take a look at the condition of the mattress. So you got your mattress cover here, which also looks nice and clean. Though the actual mattress, it looks a little flat, and it actually looks like it's a bit on the older side. Though perfectly clean. Only one way to settle this. Let's try it out real quick. Actually, it feels nice and soft, yet still pretty supportive. It's actually a very comfortable bed. It looks kind of low to the ground. It doesn't really look that plush at a glance, but it's very comfortable when you lay down in it. So I would say the bed definitely passes here. The bed also had some pamphlets and things that were on it when I came in. I guess now they give you the option to waive housekeeping service and get some extra points. It's a nice offer. I'm sure it works well for a lot of people. Looks like they Because this is a full Marriott, they have room service here. Actually, in DC, I'm surprised the prices aren't a little more outrageous than that. Most things here seem to range from about $10 to $12. Yeah, actually not that bad. So we have our little armchair over here in the corner. This piece of furniture the TV's sitting on looks like it's a little bit more worn than you might expect. Though it still looks pretty nice. Let's take a little look around. Oh, look at that. Got our VGA cable from 1997 here to hook up my gigantic brick of a laptop. They actually do have some nice inputs over here that you can use on the side of the TV, which I guess is nice. It is funny they give you the VGA cable. I guess they got like some tourist guides, that kind of thing in this drawer. I'm guessing, yeah, the rest of these are probably just empty. And oh, okay, so it's actually a mini fridge you can use versus like the old mini bar type of thing. Got some bottled water, some more glasses, and a box, which I wonder what's in here. There's no room to open it up in there, and there's no room to get it out either. I guess I'll have to take the whole tray out. Ah, that makes sense. It's just an ice bucket. An ice bucket with little holes, I guess, that allow the ice to, or the melted water to drain to the bottom. That's interesting. I've never actually seen that feature before, but I can't imagine it's too useful if you put the bag in that you're supposed to use. So, it's still interesting. Then I guess over here we have a Keurig machine, so most likely coffee supplies in this little box. Guess they got Starbucks here. Very nice presentation. Looks nice and neat. And then last but not least, of course, we had the view outside looking at some large office building here. It's kind of like your, I don't know, when you come to DC, this is sort of exactly the view I would expect to get, just a nondescript office or government building across the street. But very nice. We're 5 floors up here. It seems like it's nice and quiet. I don't hear any noise from down on the street, so... Also, they have the option here with the climate control to keep the fan running all the time, which is nice. A little bit of white noise is always a good thing in a hotel, I think. And of course, the controls for that are over here on this wall. And it just kicked on. So yeah, I think I missed the closet before. Plenty of storage space and even a robe in the back. Ooh, that's expensive. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this room. Just a very standard Marriott room. I mean, it seems very spacious. Furniture might be getting a little bit on the dated side, but overall seems like a really solid place to stay. I don't really see any warning signs here whatsoever. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much as always for watching, and that is it.